Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12022 challenge that is hosted by Bima's Crafty Corner. And this month's journal challenge was your choice. And I kind of had to giggle because I looked at Bima's journal she made. And she used art by Marlene too. So did I. Except I used the little robots and I hand colored mine. So, all the paper in here is my mixed media paper that I made. And this is an art by Marlene little robot stamp. I colored it, but I did enlarge it. That's why it looks so big. So this is the cover. It's just a piece of mixed media paper. I got a little robot on the back. And when you open it, I have a little belly band. And I have made a tag. And over here is a journal spot, a little rub wet guy. And this is just a piece of journal spot. And again, little corner tuck. I never think about doing upper tucks. I always do lower tucks. I don't know why. But all my tags are really sturdy. Another tag. It's very similar going through the whole book, but different images and different spots, and the background paper is different. The baby's creepy. Here's the center. And I did hot pink and lime green on for this. We'll hold the signatures in. They're so cool. I just love coloring these. These are, okay, I did color all the images, but these are reprints of the ones I colored. Because what I did is I colored them, and then I scanned them into, and I kept them in a file where I can just reprint. And if I want to color, I'll stamp them. I want to color it again, which I actually scanned that in, so I don't have to sit and stamp. I can just make a copy of it. And another belly band on the back. What I did with the belly band this time is I made it big where I glued it on the back side and just added it as a little extra. Little gator mouth, but that's because it's my mixed media paper. So, and this backgrounds are made out of my bingo dabbers, and then I just paint on top. So you got bingo dabbers and then this type of paint, golden fluorescent blue, and different shades going throughout the book. So it's bingo dabbers, the paint on top of the bingo dabbers, and then of course I come back and I doodle. There's stencils, different stencils throughout it. Now the tags are made with my tissue paper I've been looking, for example. Here's some. This is just bingo dabber of tissue paper. And that's what the tags are made out of. And after I glued it down, I came back and doodled on it. So you can doodle on tissue paper, but you want to glue it down. You probably could doodle not glue it down, but I just did until it was all glued down. Sorry about that sound. I know some people don't like that. But, and then of course all the images are colored. They're just printed out for me. I'm trying to think what else. I just rounded the corners You can journal or even just do some more art on it. It's up to you. But that is my 12 of 22 for May. So, and I thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.